A new series shows you the tricks of the 3D printing trade. Gasser Chair celebrates 75 years, and we show you the winner of this year's What's Your Big Idea event. This is the Daily Buzz. Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily Buzz. I'm Mike Moliterno. In its 75th year in business, the Gasser Chair Company in Youngstown is showing the resilience and innovation that has kept it growing since the 1940s. Inside the shop floor of its manufacturing plant on Logan Way is an old metal bender that was built 70 years ago by the company's founder. While not the most efficient piece of equipment, it still works. Fortunately, today's employees use something a bit more high-tech. A short distance away, workers are building the frame for a chair using this $200,000 bender, which the company invested in 4 years ago.
We started with very humble beginnings.
Mark and Gary Gasser are president and CEO of Gasser Chair and the sons of one of the founding brothers, George Gasser. Today, the company's headquarters sits on the site where he and brothers Louis and Roger set up a small shop in an old barn house in the mid-40s. Eventually, they got the idea to build lightweight aluminum frame furniture for the hospitality industry. Today, hospitality and casinos make up the bulk of Gasser's business.
Real growth of the business has been the ability to custom build or build to order furniture for the hospitality and the gaming industry. That's been our roots, and that's where we've had the success over time.
In the early 70s, Gasser increased its manufacturing space, moving into this 100,000 square foot plant down the road. Every aspect of the process takes place in the shop, and in 2019 they invested in this robotic welder. But like most businesses, 2020 was hard on Gasser. The company had to shut down when it wasn't deemed an essential business. It has since brought back roughly half of its 150 employees. Gasser also says about 90% of the year's orders were delayed since the hospitality industry was hit so hard.
Our business depends upon our customers' business. If the casinos aren't open, if the restaurants aren't operating at capacity, they can't make money, so they can't do improvements and new openings.
But once again, the company is pivoting. As customers use more outdoor spaces, Gasser is developing new outdoor furnishings for clients. Right now, Gasser says one of their biggest concerns is how will they quickly ramp back up when everything opens again.
There's been new business as well, so we feel very fortunate to be where we're at today and really looking forward to the future.
You can read more in the e-edition preview at businessjournaldaily.com. The Trumbull County Commissioners are considering a 50% 10-year tax abatement for an expansion at CR Electric. The project would create a new 12,000 square foot building at their site on Trumbull Avenue. CR Electric says it looks to invest up to $925,000 on the project, which would result in the hiring of 8 new employees with an average salary of $75,000. Full Access, a radio frequency identification tool, was the top prize winner at this year's What's Your Big Idea event in Sharon. Sabrina Boots, Megan Licio, and Kevin Walton took first place, $1,000 in prize money, as well as an opportunity to attend a 4-week test lab through Invest Penn State. This year's event, which was open to any Pennsylvania resident or student, was presented by Penn Northwest, the E-Center at Linden Point, and Penn State Shenango's Venture Point Incubator, and was streamed over the campus's YouTube page. Full Access is a device designed for convention centers and event venues. With Full Access, attendees would be given a RFID fob that would be scanned anytime they entered a room, giving other attendees access to their name, company they work for, and contact information. You may not have thought about it until now, but additive manufacturing could be a benefit to your business. To see how the emerging technology could help your bottom line, the Business Journal is partnering with Youngstown-based Juggerbot 3D, a YBI portfolio company, to bring you the Tricks of the Tradesman series. The series explores topics such as the role of direct ink writing in industrial printing, how to take your idea from concept to completion, and more.
So where do we go from here? 3D printing is still very much on the industrialization trajectory, in which case we're seeing slow growth for education for hobbyists, but we're still just hitting the tip of the iceberg for the high-value commercial opportunities.
You can see all the videos in the Tricks of the Tradesman series under the Content Studio tab at businessjournaldaily.com. And that is going to do it for today's Daily Buzz. Be sure to check out Maggie Young's After Hours report over at our sister site, afterhoursyoungstown.com. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Mike Moliterno.
717 Credit Union. Business services designed to meet your daily needs. Commercial loans, business deposits, merchant and payroll services. 717 Credit Union. It's knowing you were treated right every time.
Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell for notifications. And also make sure to connect with us on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. For all of your business news, visit businessjournaldaily.com. For all of your arts and entertainment news, go to afterhoursyoungstown.com.